TRAW for tomorrow and onward. I'm pretty much updating you guys whether this is a buy or not for me, because look, I've been in the market for 5 years. I've done 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Specifically Traws Pharma stock, well, this is kind of all over the place. I know it went up 30%, which is, you know, solid, but this by no means means that I'm just going to come out here and just randomly start buying TRAW stock. No, clearly it just pumped up out of nowhere. For a decent, like a real bullish idea for me, I must see a full candle close above 262. But in the meantime, if I don't see my rules met or really anything, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to take things further down. So that's how TRAW looks like. So if you do want to learn how to make you 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.